Welcome back. A victim of molestation at workplace has filed a complaint with the Panji police almost 3 weeks back, but police has failed to take any action so far. PI of Panji police says can't expedite the probe as the police station is facing a manpower crunch. PI also says that in case of crime against women, complainants do not approach dedicated women police cell and Panji police station is flooded with such cases. This victim girl alleges that she was molested by a manager of a casino while on duty. When the situation became worse, she had no option but to leave the job.
He used to say like you are like looking like model, your walk is good. And one thing, when there is no camera, he used to touch me there and there. And when I had warned him once, but he told me this is a common thing.
The victim girl lodged a complaint with Panji police on 20th February. But police has failed to gather corroborative evidences. Even statements of all the witnesses have not been recorded yet.
I told them for what shift I was and what on that day on which I was for 4th shift. I told them I was for night shift, and that time they were torturing me on the table, like on where there is no cameras. They told me that they will do the investigation, but they were delaying it.
When Prudent contacted PI of Panji Police Rajendra Prabhu, he said they do not have adequate manpower. PI Prabhu said they cannot act like CBI. They cannot expedite the probe of cases like molestation and have many more important cases to investigate. PI Rajendra Prabhu also said that a dedicated women police cell has been set up just next to Panji police station. But in case of crime against women, complaints do not approach women police cell and Panji police station is flooded with such cases. Earlier, a victim of molestation by her seniors at Goa Medical College had filed her complaint with the women police cell in Panji. But her experience too wasn't different. Mukesh Kumar and Tulsidas Chari for Prudent. The 5th season of Goa Cricket Association's G.P.L will get underway on Wednesday with an entertaining opening ceremony at the Academy ground in Porvorim. The cricket action will kick off on Thursday afternoon with 2 matches scheduled every day till March 21st. The big final is scheduled to be played on 22nd March. Indian cricket legend Kapil Dev will be the main attraction of the opening ceremony, which is live on Prudent from 6:30 p.m.
The Goa Cricket Association's Academy ground is all set for the Yes Bank G.P.L Season 5. With new facilities like this electronic screen and floodlights, the cricket lovers will be able to enjoy cricket in many more ways than before. GCA President Vinod Phadke disclosed the key events of Wednesday's inaugural ceremony.
The inauguration of floodlights will be done at the hands of Mr. Shivlal Yadav, who is Vice President of BCCI. Then one more new thing is we have put up big screen. This screen will be inaugurated by Brijesh Patel and Kapil Dev will unveil the trophy of G.P.L, followed by so many entertainment, fashion show, etc.
G.P.L Chairman and GCA Vice President Dr. Shekhar Sarkar revealed the fixtures.
There are 8 teams. We have divided teams into 2, Group A and Group B. Group A consists of Salgaonkars, Dempo. Then we have our own GCA Youngistan team, all young players from GCA. And Russia, which is first time coming in this year's G.P.L. Group B consists of Sarvodaya, Chowgulej, Gino also a new first time in our G.P.L participating, and one team from USA which contains a lot of experts from Pakistan and India who have played high level cricket. The first match will be with the Sarvodaya versus Gino, that is 2:30 will start on 13th, and the second match will be Russia versus Salgaonkar.
Tournament Director Sudhin Kamath explained the new format adopted for this season's G.P.L.
First there will be a league between the 8 teams and divided into 2 groups, and then top 2 teams will then again play league in the next few days, And then out of those 4 teams, two top teams will qualify to play the finals.
It's the consistency that will be rewarded with 2 consistent teams making it to the finals.
Yeah, absolutely. But you have to keep one thing in mind is that no run rate will be carried forward. So once you reach the second phase, it's totally a new structure there. So, you have to start from the scratch and then go on to, have a good run rate in case there is a tie or something like that.
Sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Tulshidas Chari from Porvorim.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.